Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking about the things you might want to know about cash offers. I'm Kristin Stampini. Now let's get started. A cash offer is an all-cash bid, meaning a homeowner wants to purchase your property without a mortgage loan or other financing. These offers are often more attractive to sellers as they mean no buyer financing fall through risk and usually a faster closing if you want. Have you received a cash offer on your home? Are you consider making a cash offer, or do you just want to compete with buyers, how buyers do? We have a guide to help you with all of this. Just reach out to us and we'll share the guide. Typically, cash offers or the common scenarios are an investor, okay, but then they're going to probably offer less. The buyer has just sold their previous home and has the sale proceeds to pull from, and they're downsizing, or the seller has approached an iBuyer about buying the home, or there's a lot of competition and a buyer wants to stand out, so offers a cash offer. The property may be in need of repairs and is attractive as a fixer, flipper, upper home, so a cash offer is needed. You know, if you're planning to buy or sell a home in the near future, it's important to be aware of these offers and actually how they work. How is the home buying process different with a cash offer? You know, with a cash offer on the table, the buyer and selling process is a little different than it would be actually with a mortgage involved. You know, for one, the process is generally faster and there's no mortgage application, documentation, or underwriting, and the buyer typically doesn't need an appraisal. As a buyer, you'll still need to sort out the title policy and insurance and provide proof of funds and sign closing documents. You may be able to close on an all-cash offer in as little as 2 weeks, really depending on the title company. You know, here are some other ways the process can happen with cash offers. Contingencies. You know, there are usually fewer contingencies with cash sales. Some don't even require an inspection. So it can be an easier closing, faster. For a sale contingency, some buyers may still want an inspection contingency. Appraisals. So appraisals typically lender mandated, so without a lender, a buyer usually won't have to worry about them. Some will want, even if it's cash, they will want an appraisal to make sure that the property is worth what they're paying for it, especially if they're an investor, you know, looking to guarantee returns. They might offer quite a bit lower than what the property's worth. Closing. The closing process on a cash is much more simple as a buyer. You'll sign the settlement statement, title and deed, hand over a cashier's check or wire money, and receive your keys. That's as simple as that. Without financing, the paperwork is reduced significantly. Your closing costs are also lower since there aren't any lender fees attached. Title and escrow. As a buyer, you'll still need a title and escrow company to handle the transaction, but you may have more lenient in choosing these parties without lender involvement. So shopping around, your agent may be able to help you. And another major difference is that cash buyers need to prove their financial capability to the seller before moving forward. And with a mortgage loan, buyers usually come to the table pre-approved, meaning the lender has vetted them and determined that they have the financial means to handle the mortgage payment. You know, cash offers can offer serious advantages for both buyers and sellers. but they may not always be the right choice. If you're selling a house, make sure you consider the pros and cons of a cash offer for you, as well as who the offer is coming from. You want to make sure you're doing business with a reputable party that has the funds to follow through on the end deal. If you're buying a house, think long and hard about putting all cash into one asset. Consider talking to your accountant or financial advisor and make sure you understand the full picture before moving forward with an all-cash bid. So there are really good things about it, but make sure that it's the right decision for you. If you'd like more information on this, then just leave a comment, ask a question, reach out to me, subscribe to the YouTube channel. We send out weekly videos, and also click on the bell icon. Thanks. See you soon.